So let's get started. This is BscScan, which is basically a blockchain explorer for Binance Smart Chain. Okay, on this home page now we can see various information, but we want to use this blockchain explorer to get information from a particular wallet address. So here I'm going to paste the Binance Smart Chain wallet address. I'm going to search. Now before we go further, let me make something clear. Just like in the cryptocurrency industry, we've got Bitcoin and we've got other coins which we call altcoins, right? On a particular blockchain, we've got the native token, which is the main coin. I've got other tokens. Okay, on Binance Smart Chain now, the main token here is BNB, which is used for gas fees, for staking, and then we've got other tokens like Web20 tokens, NFTs, and the rest. Okay, so now from this blockchain explorer, we can see the BNB balance of this particular wallet address. You can see the BNB value. Then we can see other tokens, the token balances of this particular wallet address. You can see the Web20 token, you can see NFTs, and the rest. Now for the transactions, you can see transaction hash. Transaction hash is just like the unique identifier for any transaction that is executed by this particular wallet address. Okay, it's just like in CeFi, when you transfer funds from one bank account to another, we've got a transaction reference, right? That's used to track or is used to take note of a particular transaction that was executed. So that's for a transaction hash. This is the method, this is the block. This block is just like the particular block where that particular transaction that was executed by this particular wallet address was stored. Okay, so that is just, this is the block number. This particular transaction was stored. Then this is the age, the time, and the date this particular transaction was executed. This from that is like the initiator of this particular transaction, to that is receiver, the value, and then transaction fee which was paid for the transaction to be executed. Right, so then these token transfers. This is a record of all the Web20 token transactions that was executed by this particular wallet address. Then NFT transfers. Okay, so this is the last transaction sent by this particular wallet address. Then this is the first transaction. So in summary, getting information from this particular wallet address using this blockchain explorer is making it possible for us to understand that this particular blockchain is public, and then all the information, all the transaction that's executed on a particular blockchain is easily accessible to anyone, okay, using the blockchain explorers. So now let's learn how to get information using a particular transaction ID. So now let's look at this particular transaction through the transaction hash. Okay, so when we tap on this transaction hash, we'll see a transaction in detail. Okay, this transaction hash which you can copy, and then this is the transaction hash link. Okay, so this is the status, this is the block in which transaction was executed, was recorded in, and then this is the time the transaction was executed, 16th of January, and this was the particular time. Okay, then this transaction action to BSC this USDT on Binance Smart Chain was transferred to this particular address. You can see all the details and how transparent the particular transaction is executed on the blockchain is. Okay, so this is from interacted with, and the BEP20 token transferred from this address to this address for this. Okay, this is the gas fee paid and all. But there's something interesting here I want to explain on. So any particular token that exists on a particular blockchain has what we call a contract address, just like a unique identifier that you can use to identify a particular token. For example, now I can just deploy a token on Binance Smart Chain and name it USDT, but it's not the main USDT that people know. Why? Because the particular USDT which I'm going to deploy will have its own contract address, while the main USDT we know will have its contract address. So from this transaction now, we can confirm if it's the main USDT that was transacted in this particular transaction. Okay, so when I tap on it now, I can see the contract address, I can see the price, I can see the number of holders. Okay, then this is how I can verify if this is the main USDT that was sent or received. Okay, every token that is on any particular blockchain, even NFTs, they have contract addresses which you can use to identify that particular token. Okay, so this is how to get information on a blockchain explorer using a transaction hash, transaction ID. Okay, so you can just copy the transaction ID, go to BscScan or any particular blockchain explorer at all, paste the transaction ID or transaction hash into the tab here and search, and you can see all the information that you're looking for.